Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hyper-V Manager for server management. Easy tutorial, step by step, clearly. Launch your Windows operating system. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Hyper-V Manager. Select Hyper-V Manager from the search results. Once Hyper-V Manager opens, you will see the connection options on the right panel. If this is your first time using Hyper-V Manager, you may need to add a server connection. To do this, click on Connect to Server in the right panel. A new window will appear prompting you for the server name. Enter the IP address or the name of the server you wish to connect to. Choose Local Computer if you want to manage a server on your current device. For remote management, select another computer and ensure you have access rights. After entering the server details, click on OK to establish the connection. You will be directed back to the main Hyper-V Manager interface. Now, you should see your selected server listed in the left panel. Double-click on the server name to view its virtual machines and configurations. From here, you can manage your virtual machines and server settings efficiently. Ensure that your account has the necessary permissions to access Hyper-V functionalities. If prompted, enter your credentials to authenticate access to the server. Once logged in, explore the various options available for virtual machine management. That completes the login process to Hyper-V Manager for server management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.